Oh my god, this is so fiddly. I don't know what to do. Oh, I thought this is just fiddly. Oh, this thing is so fiddly. Welcome to the channel. I'm so glad you are here. If you're new here, welcome. And if you have been here before, welcome back. Oh, yes. This is what it looks like when everything came off. Dirty. Fairy dishwashing. That's all it is cut. I'm gonna use this. Okay. And I'm gonna have one. So I need to take off these things. These need to come off. So there's a faint line here. So I have to use this as my guide. This line here. So because the paper real fabric. I thought this is just fiddly. Oh, this thing is so fiddly. Look there. To get the glue out. Just, oh my god. So fiddly. Oh shit. Oh. So the wood will cover the joining pieces like that. So that's the whole idea, because the fabric will not fit on the entire box. It's gonna have wood. So that's what it looks like so far. And now this is done. So what I've decided to do is to bring the old box inside. Outside is scorching hot. When I tell you outside is so hot, oh my gosh. So guys, if you hear any noise, it's the fan on there because like I said, it's really hot outside. So firstly, I'm gonna get this off, and then I'm gonna start with the bottom off of the trunk. Sorry. I'm gonna start with the bottom off of the trunk. Oh, but guess what? I don't know if this is gonna work because I don't have enough wrapping paper left. So I'm gonna measure and try and see if I have enough. So this is what I have left. So I'm gonna measure it around and see. Oh Lord have mercy. See if it's gonna be enough to complete this storage trunk. Oh dear. So this is where we are. I have some little scraps, so this is where we had. So this is it. Also have this little piece, so I probably have to itch it all over the place, which is not ideal for the trunk, but yeah, I'll get going. So I'm gonna take off here, and then I have to try and rub down these little bits right here because I think I glued the thing on here before. So I'm gonna take off these bits off. I think these are easy to come off, and then put the top together because I have to put the top on because I need to line up the lining when I'm putting back these little things on here, all the trimmings and accessories. So let me get going. What I've decided to do, try and speak more naturally in my videos. Okay, that's quite good. Easy peasy. This is the next bit. So I'm gonna use a dryer. You know when you have glue, like you glue things onto surface. It's depending really if you're mostly upholstery or if you're putting on any things, sticky things. I find it easy for me to use the dryer to kind of melt the glue. So it's so good. I don't need to. I have no sandpaper, so I'm just using this to kind of get off this whole glue thing. Because these things, I can't leave them on there because it's gonna. But I mean, this would be fine because I'm gonna put back the handle on there. So I don't think it'd be a problem. So what I'm gonna do now is give it a good little wipe with some soap and water. So when I'm sticking the thing on, it don't move. Oh my God, it's always. Maybe 6 of this, 4 of this, 4. So I'm gonna use the color that I'm using. And it's a sticky back here. So let's get started with it.